I am Jasmeet and welcome to Blogging Unplugged Clips. On this channel, you will find bite-sized videos from our main channel, Blogging Unplugged. If you are not into those hour-long videos, then this channel is for you. And if you find the content helpful, then make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the post notification bell. And with that said, let's dive into the video. The next change that has been introduced in WordPress 5.9 is for the reusable blocks. Now, for demonstration purposes, I just went ahead and I've created reusable blocks in both WordPress 5.8 and WordPress 5.9. Here is the WordPress 5.9 and here is the WordPress 5.8. So let's just see the reusable block in WordPress 5.8 and see the icon that is being used. You can see the icon is something like a plug over here. Okay, now in WordPress 5.9 this icon has been changed to this. Okay, this is the first change. The next change that you will see is that when you will hover your pointer over the reusable block like this, it will give a dark overlay showing you that it's a reusable block. Now this is the case in template parts as well. If you are using the site editor to create template parts, this is what will happen as well. The template parts will also show an overlay. Here, let me go to WordPress 5.8 and will show. You can see there is no overlay, but when you hover your mouse over the reusable blocks in WordPress 5.9, it shows an overlay like this. So these are the two changes that has been introduced for the reusable blocks in WordPress 5.9. Now, in case you do not know how to create reusable blocks, then I will be creating tutorials for everything from basics to everything. So make sure you like this video if you're finding it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Now the next change that you will see in the reusable blocks is the introduction of the change to regular blocks option in the ellipsis menu. Now before WordPress 5.9 this feature wasn't available in the ellipsis menu, it was just present on the toolbar. So let's just see it for ourselves. So here in the WordPress 5.8 you can see that as soon as I select the reusable block logo, you see this option over here, the convert to regular blocks option, but this option is missing from this ellipsis menu. Now this option has been added to this menu over here as well in WordPress 5.9. Let's just go to WordPress 5.9 and see it for ourselves. Let's just select. So you see convert to regular blocks option over here, and when I click the ellipsis menu, the option is available over here as well. So this is another change. So in case now you're looking to convert any of the reusable blocks into regular blocks, you can do it via two ways. One is through the toolbar, the other one is through the ellipsis menu. Now I hope you have found this video helpful, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to this channel. Also, the links to our socials are in the description box below. Make sure to follow us on other platforms as well. And with that said, I will see you in the next video.